Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We'll be talking about commercial real estate in Central and Eastern Europe. Good Thursday morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. This week is going quick because we're working on the CEE real estate guide for MIPIM with, once again, we're international media partner of the event. MIPIM looks great. A lot of new advertisers, a lot of old advertisers back. If you've got any office space you want to rent, or if you've got any projects, retail, let us know. Of course, industrial, let us know what's happening on that, because we're really covering a lot in this magazine, covering Central Eastern Europe. We've also got a big report on retail and our retail awards, which will be in this edition. So if you want to advertise any opportunities for retailers, now's the time to do it. And also for our SEE, we have a big section on SEE because we also have our SEE awards coming up, and our magazine will also be going at that. And that's held March 31st at the Radisson Blu Hotel in Bucharest. Another event that's definitely going to be sold out. We have a little bit limited space in the ballroom, but it'll still be a lot of fun, and really the most active people in the region will be there. A lot of international guys coming in for that. They haven't been to Romania for a while and want to see some of their projects and do some new projects, make some new partners. So real estate guide, if you want anything in for MIPIM, let us know right away. For the SEE Real Estate Awards, if you haven't put in your nomination, do it quick. Winston, deadline's coming up. Yeah,
we'll be wrapping it up next week.
Right,
so
okay.
It's going out to the jury next week, and then by the end of next week, we'll have a shortlist.
Right. So if you've got a project you haven't put in, office, warehouse, residential, retail, mixed use, let us know right away so we can get you in for that. Or the company, if you haven't put in a company nomination and you're doing business in Romania or Bulgaria or Serbia, definitely let us know right away, or any of the other countries there in our region. So having said that, we hope that you're all having a great day. We'll take a little break. We'll come right back with the news, the Europa Property News, and Winston Norman, our editor-in-chief, to let us all know what it is. Welcome to the 17th Annual Europa Property Southeastern European Real Estate Awards and SEE Forum, held March 31st at the SAS Radisson Blu in Bucharest, Romania. With the most active international, regional, and local investors, developers, and property owners attending, this event continues to be the single most important in the region. The deadline for nominations is February 24th, and with seating limited and the Radisson Ballroom quickly filling up, now is the time to reserve your sponsorship package or corporate table. Welcome back, and Winston Norman, welcome to the show.
All right, Craig, how you doing?
So we have some interesting news today from the EuropaProperty.com site.
Yeah, we'll start today in Poland, and Partners Group and Peakside Capital have acquired around 150,000 square meters of logistics opportunities around Warsaw. And this is a JV. A joint venture, a deal which are proving very popular these days with investors. And bless you, by the way.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah. And hopefully it's not the start of something, you know.
Yeah, and there's three projects in the portfolio which they've acquired, and they're planning to refurbish and redevelop and reposition these properties. So they're going to go very robust with the ESG credentials, which, as we know, is very important today. And great news for the industrial market here around Poland, and these will be like urban logistics.
So refurbishing,
repositioned. They're like slightly older stock, but great locations around Warsaw.
Right. So bringing up to ESG.
Yeah,
current
and for their
norms,
main clients, are going to be e-commerce and things like that.
Excellent.
Staying in the industrial market, and some news from Panettone, where they're building 87,000 square meters BTS for the German retailer Teddy.
Okay.
And they had a massive expansion last year, and they doubled the number of their outlets in Poland.
Wow.
So this new BTS facility is going to be developed in Stargard, which is in northwestern Poland, and this is going to really help their distribution throughout the country.
Yeah, we always get little messages from Teddy when they're doing new stores or grand openings, so it's seems like it's daily in some cases.
Yeah, they like I said, doubled the number of their stores in Poland last year. So yeah, they need a lot of help with their distribution, I would imagine. Staying in Poland and moving to the office sector, and Atenor has announced that it's going to start building its new office building in Warsaw. You might remember them from Budapest, and from Bucharest. And now they're building one in Warsaw called Lakeside. And I think they've got one in Bucharest called Lakeside as well. So it's a name that they do like. And
I like it. Sounds fun.
I hope it's by a lake. And the general contractor of the project is POR. And it's scheduled for completion in Q4 2023. And the agent responsible for the leasing is JLL. And it will offer around 24,000 square meters of GLA when it comes online. And obviously, according to today's, ESG credentials and BREEAM and WELL certificates, this one is going to be no exception and will offer all those credentials.
I guess no choice anymore. Yeah.
If they want to be competitive, then that's what you need. If you want your tenants and later selling on to investors, then you need all the latest credentials and sustainability options available.
Well, good. They're back in Poland doing doing a project, so good to see them.
Yep. And finally for today, and staying in Poland and moving to Katowice, where the KTW2 office building by TDJ Estate.
That's a lot of letters.
A lot of letters there. Yeah, they like to use letters in Katowice. It's finally got its building occupancy permit, and so development's been finished, and this new development is a 133-meter high office building, and apparently it's the tallest office building in the city at the moment. And Gleeds were operating as project managers on this project, and they're very happy to see construction finished. Again, they say it was carried out with compliance of all the latest sustainability and ESG credentials available, and it received a BREEAM interim design stage certificate at the excellent level and received a score of 71%. So it's one of the highest ones on the Katowice market. So yeah, it's a good product being delivered. And the first tenant for this new development is PWC Service Delivery Center, and they will take 9 floors and move in early 2023.
Wow, great client to start off the building with.
Very strong client.
Yeah, excellent. All right, well, congratulations to everyone. It's good to hear that so much is going on the whole region. So it's good to see a lot of things happening. Winston, great to see you. I guess tomorrow, Friday, yeah? So we'll get us some nice news to round up the week with. And everyone, thank you for joining us. We're thrilled to have all of you. Still over 8,000 viewers a week on our news, and 14,000 on our interviews. So anyway, stay safe, stay healthy. I see there's a lot of wind if you're around Warsaw, so be careful of the wind. And we will see you tomorrow morning on the next Coffee with Craig show. Click here to subscribe to the Coffee with Craig show, and don't forget to share it with your friends.